For new recipe every Wednesday, please subscribe my channel. It's free and press bell icon so you get notification when I upload new videos. Namaste ji, welcome to Itna Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsa Nilay, your daughter-in-law from Albania. Here in Mumbai and all over India, we are celebrating Ganesh festival. And let me wish all of you happy Ganesh Chaturthi and hope you are enjoying and celebrating with your loved ones. So today's recipe is very special. It is a sweet, it is called Modak. We do offer to Lord Ganesh as a Prasad when we pray, and it is the most favorite sweet to Lord Ganesh. So let's check ingredients. Coconut powder, sugar, cream, maida, oil, cardamom, wheat flour, ghee, salt, dry fruits. Let's start making modak. We have to make in two parts. First we have to cook coconut and dry fruits in another pan, and we have to make dough in another part. Add coconut 1 cup. Half cup sugar. Add cream. Keep in a very slow flame, and it will take some time to cook. We'll keep this here. So now I'm going to add ghee to make dough. Add 3 spoons. I'm adding 4 because spoon is a little small. Add little salt and immediately add ghee. I'm going to add a little water. Don't add too much water because we have added ghee, and don't be confused. We need 1 bowl of maida and 1 bowl of wheat flour. It should be mixed. Dough is ready, and when we do serve to Lord Ganesh sweet, we make 5 or 11 in number. So I am going to make 5 today, and we have to make a small shape of roti, and then we will create and we'll make that sweet. So first let's add dry fruit here in the coconut. Dough is made perfectly, it is soft. We need 4 or 5 round balls, and now we have to check coconut. I think it is ready. All should be in the same size, and it should be round beautifully. This is ready. See how nice. We are done with 5, and there it is ready to be stuffed. But now I'm going to make the 6th one, which is called karanji. So that is made in a different shape. So I have here dough. Okay, so it is the same, and it should be a little bigger in size, a little. We are ready. First let's put oil. We need to add 4 to 5 bowl of oil because it should be deep fried. Now let's start stuffing modak. So we have to add 2 spoons of coconut, and in the same time we have to start making small pleats like this, round, and start closing it. Small one, carefully, it should look good also. A little and remove the excess, whatever is extra. Now we are finished with 5 of them, so we have to make the extra one which I told before, and this is a bigger size. We have added 2 spoons of coconut and we have to fold this way. We are done with 5 modak and 1 karanji, and now it is time to fry. So let's check, it's already done, it is become beautifully brown color. We are done with modak, it's time to remove. Lord Ganesh Prasad, Modak and Karanji, it is ready. Let me wish you once again happy Ganesh Chaturthi. May God showers you with lots of love, lots of happiness and lots of peace. We cannot taste because first we are going to offer to God and then we can taste it later. Thank you so much for watching Itna Tasty Hai Cooking with Elsa Nilay, and we are going to meet next week. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Ganpati Bappa Moria!